called himself Hoodstick.
Nice to meet you, Simi. Finally edit.
Bro. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, welcome to Hoodstick.
Thank you very much.
Finally made it. So we've got Simi here with his Ford Fiesta 320 brake horsepower. So the Fiesta, the model, tell us about it.
Well, it's limited edition, ST200. I originally went to Ford to buy a Focus RS, but I saw this and fell in love with it. So yeah, 200 brake from factory, whereas normal ST is only 180.
Yeah.
And obviously you've got the limited edition colour, so...
Why did you go for that and not the standard STs?
I wanted a bit more exclusivity, wanted to stand out a little bit.
Okay.
It's just a cool colour.
Nice. Okay then, so the most important bit to everybody, 320 brake horsepower. Talk us through how you did that and why.
Well, initially I went in stages, so I started at stage 1, eventually ended up at stage 4. At stage 2 I loved it, it was brilliant. Obviously you get that bug, you want more power, so I bought the RT330 turbo,
okay,
which is designed by REVO, and
okay.
Obviously it's coupled with their software. So yeah, it's awesome.
Okay, that's crazy. So in terms of that, were there any issues, like any lagging issues or anything like that? REVO did everything?
Yeah, well I had it fit at SCC Performance down in St Albans.
Okay.
I know Rob down there, he's sorted it out, got it ready. Turbo lag's pretty much non-existent, it's absolutely fantastic.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's just sick.
Okay, right, talk us through to the handling. What do you have? It's sitting quite low, the car is?
Yeah, it's only on springs, I-back 45mm. They're really cool, nice ride. Not too bumpy, but it has helped the handling a lot. It really does stick in corners.
Okay.
Then I dropped down to a smaller wheel.
Mm-hmm.
I think that helps the handling a bit as well.
What wheels have you got on?
The 15-inch Team Dynamics.
15 inch?
15-inch.
That is small as you can get. Jeez. So what else is it? Any more handling? Does it have any sort of diff or anything? Is it standard?
No diff. No coilovers, no strut braces.
What?
It's literally my daily car.
That's crazy.
Obviously I've got plans to do it all, but
yeah,
obviously these things take time, so.
Okay. Sounds crazy. What exhaust do you have?
It's currently running a Miltech, that's coupled with a CUK DCAT. So
pops and bangs.
Pops and bangs, yeah.
That's what all these Fords are known to have. This one's a pop and bang.
A few of them, not too many. With the REVO software you can choose to have that, you can have the overrun or you can have it without. Yeah. I chose to have it with, so. Is
that by so once it's done, you can't flick it with a button?
No, but you can go to your local REVO dealer and they'll swap it back over for you.
And how long has it been since you've had that tune? And
about a year now.
A year now. You had any problems?
No, none whatsoever.
That's crazy, that is. Okay, interior. Have you done anything to the interior?
Not really. I've just put a couple of nice red lights in the footwell. Turbo gauge P3. And that's about it really. It's my daily car, put my kids in it, so I can't go too crazy at the moment.
That's crazy, that is 320 brake horsepower and it's a practical family car.
Yeah, great on fuel as well.
Honestly. What did you get?
On a long run, I drove to Brighton a few months ago.
Yeah.
About 50 miles per gallon.
No way.
When I'm just going to work and back I get about 32. So it's not too bad.
That's ridiculous. The CV right there, that actually does 17 miles per gallon, you know.
Is that it?
And Elliot is Evo.
0.
It's one of the best. So okay, well, what do you think? Should we take it for a spin?
Yeah, let's go, man.
Okay, let's do this. I'm here with Simi.
Simi.
I like that. Well, that's the signature. Simi. Well, this is it now. Let's see what this car can do.
Sweet. Let's go for a blast.
us about the car then, in terms of the mapping. Who done the mapping? CE UK, you said.
Yeah, well, initially I had work done at SCC Performance in St Albans. Then obviously I've got quite close ties with CE UK.
Okay.
They're based here in Bradford. Adam, their owner, he's quite a good friend of mine.
Okay.
So I've literally watched his company grow. So I pretty much go there for anything and everything now.
Yeah.
They specialise in Fords and Vags. Basically anything you want that's REVO, they're your place to go.
Wow. Watching that was pretty quick. That was.
It's talky, innit?
That is talky. That was. At first, I thought you can't really feel it, but then when the boost just keeps on going, doesn't it? So what bar boost is this then?
I think it's about 28 psi.
28 psi.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
I normally look at the road, not the gauge.
Yeah.
So
that's cool. No, that's alright. So in terms of that, what are you doing for stopping power? 'Cause I realised we were talking about the wheels and suspensions, but stopping power, what do you have?
Brakes, literally stock size. So
Yeah.
I've not gone for any big brake kit or all like that. Literally, just I can't even remember what they are. I think they're M-Tech or Mintex, something like that. Just a drilled and groove discs.
Yeah.
And then just got stock Ford pads.
Oh.
So it's not too bad. I mean, if I were on a track, I'd probably think about upgrading.
Yeah.
But like I said, it's my daily. I just go to work and back in it. So
Yeah, your daily. Yeah. How's the clutch? That standard?
yeah, stock clutch.
Wow.
It seems to handle the power really well. I'll go turn around up here.
Yeah, go ahead. That sounds beautiful. That does.
A few pops and bangs.
Yeah, that standard dump valve, or is that?
No, that's a JFB go fast bits. It basically replaces the factory diverter valve.
Yeah.
On the STs, they're prone to failure when you start running.
Oh, no way.
When you start running larger amounts of boost.
Yeah.
I think it's just a little crappy plastic thing. So it replaces that.
Yeah. Of course. Wow, reverse sensor parking.
Oh yeah, little camera.
Yeah.
You shouldn't really need a camera in a Fiesta, should you? Tiny car.
What are your plans? Are going to be taking this on track, ain't ya? For a project race car. Wow, it's crazy. It's crazy how it handles everything.
Yeah, it is good. Just to say it doesn't have coilovers and it's just on springs, it does handle really well. Good fun.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
The only thing for me that really lets it down is the amount of torque steer you get.
Yeah. So probably in the future you're gonna get that diff changed.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, I don't see point in putting it in when I'm literally just commuting it.
Yeah.
But obviously when I start, tracking it and stuff, then I'll throw one in.
Okay.
So
Crazy.
they're a lot of money, so
Yeah, definitely. What I know we spoke about it before, but is there a rough estimate what you got for 0 to 60 on these? Roughly, what do you think? So what did you do standard 0 to 60?
I'm not even sure, to be honest. And I've never tried, which is a poor excuse because I've got a timer right there. But
yeah,
I don't know, maybe 8 seconds, something like that. Maybe I'm selling it short. I don't know.
Sounds nice. This car does. Literally a dump valve and everything in the exhaust. Okay then, let's have a spin on this. Let's see how this boost feels. Never driven a Ford Fiesta. It's my first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be very interesting. This is. Well, the biting point's alright. There you go. Nice and easy.
It's weird when you get into someone else's car. You don't.
Yeah. No, that's why it's always important when you drive someone else's car to get a feel of it, because right now it's very easy to drive.
It is. It's I think anyone can get in it, and what I really like about the setup I've got, it retains that sort of stock feeling.
Yeah.
Like this car's quite happy, tootling around town at 30 mile an hour.
Yeah.
It feels no different to when it was stock.
Yeah.
And then obviously when you get on B roads and you want to give it a bit of hammer, it's an absolute animal.
Wow. Good job. I think it's because these cars are very light. Do you know how much they weigh?
I think they weigh about 1,200 kilo.
1,200 kilo.
I'm not 100% sure.
Okay. That is beautiful. Literally. Oh man. It's very, very nimble, this car is, isn't it? And the turns.
Yeah, it's.
Wow.
It's really responsive.
I know, yeah. This is crazy. What year is this car again?
It's 2016.
2016.
Yeah, it's literally just had its 3rd birthday, so.
Nice. I do like how it feels really, really.
Drop it, man. Give it a do.
Okay, let's go. 3rd gear forward. Whoa. That's nice. Like I said, take it easy. Wow, that's nice. That is. Let's get her. There she is.
Sharp corner.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, this corner proper tightens up, man. You've got to be careful.
You know what? This car, when it gets to speed, the car just lifts up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It just wants to keep on boosting. It's crazy because I've been in the Fiesta, I've never driven one, but it drives and it boosts and it slows down. But this, it just lifts, everything just lifts up.
Yeah, it just wants to keep going. I mean, the boost doesn't ever seem to tail off. It seems to, all the way up to red line.
Yeah.
It really is something special.
When you put your foot down, once it boosts, boom.
Yeah.
The car just lifts up and it just carries on like we just did then earlier.
Yeah, like I said earlier, the lag on it is really minimal.
It's
not, you don't really feel it.
Oh man, that popping is beautiful. Yeah. I was trying to dodge the potholes, but wow. So the minute it boosts, I realised the minute this car boosts, it has no traction whatsoever.
No, that's why I left the traction control on. Obviously, it's wet today, man.
Yeah. Of course, they want to risk it. So what's the difference then? Tell us when it's in the dry and the wet.
Well, first gear's completely useless.
Okay.
If you're gonna hammer it, first gears, you want to be out of that as quick as you can.
Yeah.
Second, you brake traction a little bit, not too bad. Third gear, again, you might break a bit of traction further up in the rev range.
Yeah.
And then 4th, 5th, and 6th, you're away.
Wow. And is that in the dry? You're telling me that does your first gear is useless in the dry as well?
Yeah.
Is that because of the size of the wheels, do you think?
No, I had 17s on before, and it were more or less the same.
Just do a little pull yeah.
Just mind this dodgy corner, man. I'm a bad passenger.
Okay. Okay then. Well, I must say it was a delightful experience, and I'm just crazy how it just picks up speed and it just keeps on boosting. So that's just crazy. That is literally 320 brake horsepower. Wow, that would rip my Subaru to bits. That would, as we've seen in the POV drive. Wow.
You can upset a lot of nice cars.
No, a Fiesta. Well, thank you for the experience.
Yeah, cheers, man. I'll go for a fist bump.
But again, big shout, CE UK.
Yeah, CE UK, based here in Bradford. Massive thanks to them, helping me maintain it and sorting me out with bits and bats I need. And shout out to SCC Performance as well. So.
Well, they heard it, guys. And what's your Instagram for people to follow you or talk about the Ford Fair every year? So
yeah, it's just simi.st200.
Okay.
And I've also got I run the owners club for the ST200 as well.
You do?
Yeah. So that's it's ST200 _ owners _ international.
Well, I'll ping all that in the description.
Yeah, dude.
Guys, head over and follow that and show support to him, because he's just went out his way and give me the experience that I've never had in a Ford Fiesta. So thank you very much again.
No problem, man. Glad
looking
you
forward
enjoyed
to by far I'm like, I get every time I drive different cars, it's just a new experience. And when I was driving this, it's just like, whoa, check this out. But I love it. So again, thank you very much, and hope to see you again. Simi,
cheers, bro.
Man like Simi. Simi.
Simi.
Well, thank you very much.
Cheers, dude. Thank you.